Ladies and gentlemen, you're all very welcome to Cork, where the local time is 20 to 8. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off for you. Please take care when opening the overhead lockers, as items of your carry-on luggage may become dislodged during the flight, fall out and cause injury. For passengers who smoke, we ask for you to refrain from doing so until you've reached a well-designated smoking area well outside the terminal building. For passengers who wish to rent a car, Ryanair recommend Hertz. Hertz is our car rental partners and they have a car rental location just inside the arrivals hall. You can beat our check-in queues with our online priority boarding. You can check online from 15 days up to 4 hours prior to departure. Visit Ryanair.com for further details. So finally, on behalf of our onboard crew today, we would like to thank you for flying with us, wishing you a very safe and onward journey, or indeed a pleasant stay in the local area. Thank you and have a nice night. Also, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to apologise for this delay tonight. This was due to air traffic control restrictions, and we hope it hasn't caused you too much inconvenience.